Home Show.
Buddy from Las Vegas, Nevada has a question about garage cooling.
Yeah, he wants to borrow some from his house, Tom. In of all places, Las Vegas. All right. So Buddy asked...
It's hot there.
Yeah, it is. It is that. Okay. Anyway, so Buddy asks, can I steal a little bit of cool air from my cold air duct by creating a smaller split, like say 6 inches, directed to my garage? He says, I only have a 2-car garage that I want to cool. What say you, Tom?
2-car garage is usually somewhere between 5 and 650 square feet, so it's not small. Some are smaller than others. Some are 2.5, like the one I have at my house, so you can have a little door swing, a little place to put a bench for working on stuff. But as far as that goes, you can do it if you have a big enough system, but you also need to return air too, so you circulate it. 6-inch duct is not going to put enough in there to do anything, so I would tell you no on that suggestion. If you wanted to get an air conditioning technician out to see what the size is, run 2 ducts in there to cool it like you want to, have a return air put in, maybe redistribute through the duct system, the distribution system of the air a little bit so it all works if it's a big enough system. That would be fine. It would be really hard to do it in Houston because of our humidity problems. In Las Vegas, it might be a lot easier because humidity is not an issue, so they don't run as cold or as often because they don't have to dehumidify that much. It's a very dry climate. So that's up to the tech. If not, don't do it at all. If you can't do it right, don't do it at all, and they'll tell you if it's big enough. But in most cases, 6-inch duct, as far as the question goes, a 2-car garage, the answer is no.
Yeah. I would have thought that the house would have been engineered for that if you were going to do it.
That's why I say you don't know. Somebody could have put a giant system in and didn't. I don't know how they practice things out there. It could be. So a technician that does a checkup once in a while, have them come out and discuss it with them. Find out how the ductwork is laid out. Find out what the size is. See if it's even a possibility. If not, Charlie, we always tell people here in the Houston area and other areas, and humidity has a lot to do with it here, is the ductless split system that you put in that garage, and then you can cool it as you want and not cool it if you don't want to at all, and it's separate from the house.
Want to bet that's going to work? Nah. All right.
Well, if it doesn't check, it will.
Right. Well, it's the wheel of
it'll
fortune
work.
in Las Vegas and his garage. So anyway, we hope that's...
If it wasn't for gambling, Las Vegas wouldn't exist. It would be a gas station with a Ramada Inn next to it. It was all gambling. They found a place to put it where the soldiers going to California could stop and spend all their money after World War II. It's an interesting history.
Just ask Bugsy about it. All right. You got a question?
Yeah, that was later.
You got a question? We'd be happy to help you out. Go ahead and visit HomeShowRadio.com. Click on that Ask Tom button, fill out the form, send it in, and we'll do a video just like this one for you. And we post a new one every day at HomeShowRadio.com, our YouTube channel, and our Facebook page.